back, heroes, to our Hero Central Science Lab, where at Virtual VBS we can have hope from God. Our Bible story today was about a very special sermon that Jesus gave on the side of a mountain. It was called the Sermon on the Mount. Jesus spoke some amazing words about how happy we can be when we focus on others. We just need a little sprinkle of something special to help us. Today our science experiment is one that when sprinkling something on top, we can create something brand new. Alrighty, let's get to the science. So today we are going to be making slime, which I know is everyone's favorite thing, especially the parents. So you're welcome. So at first we're going to start off with two bowls actually. And we are going to add 1/4 cup of water to each of them. I'm going to get at eye level with my measuring cup. That way I can see. So 1/4 to one bowl. And 1/4 to the other bowl. The next step is we are going to add 1/4 glue to this bigger bowl. This time I won't get all the way down because this one doesn't have to be that exact. And we're going to add it to this bigger bowl. Make sure we get most of all the glue in there. Alrighty. Maybe we'll add an extra scoop in for good luck. Alrighty. In the other bowl, we are going to add 1/4 teaspoon. So find your 1/4 teaspoon of borax. Into our other bowl. In this, we are going to mix really well. While we're doing this, we also want to mix our glue mixture with the water. We want both of them to be mixed really well. This may take a couple minutes. I think our borax one's ready almost. A lot of multitasking now. Alrighty. I say they're mixed pretty well. So the next thing, we are slowly going to add our other thing in, but first we are going to add some sprinkles into our bowl with the glue. Some sparkle. Be careful not to add too much because that may affect your slime. Now we're slowly going to add this in. And we're going to watch the slime start to form. Kind of stir. Alrighty. After I pour all the mixture in, I like to use my hands, but that is completely up to you. You could continue to use a spoon if you like it more that way. And you just kind of squeeze. You don't want it to be too liquidy or it won't work. You want it to warm up. Yeah, still a little liquidy. This also makes a funny noise. There we go. Starting to get all that excess liquid out of here. This may take a little bit just to get it really nice and warm. And then I like to kind of just move it in a circular motion. That way you really start to get it to spread. There we go. Very good. All right, I hope all of your guys' slime worked out, and I will see you next time. Bye.